Hey, Charlotte invited me to talk to you guys a little bit about how we do what we do. Haven't seen you since Cortina of 2019. Come on in and we'll just do a quick run through. Give you a little bit idea of the culture of the studio. We got a mix of old prototypes and installations and art. This is the front panel to a ventilator, which is what's been keeping us busy the last couple of months during the pandemic, and also, as a United States manufacturer, allowed us to be essential and continue to work on our creative projects for yachts and high-end luxury and retail. So it's a way for us to be doing some good and also staying alive. As you know, we work in aluminum or aluminium, and that work starts from the machining standpoint, but moves very quickly into how we manipulate finish, which changes how light bounces off this material. And then the final step is the anodization, where we're also applying the color. So we're combining those three significantly different skills to really, that's where the magic happens, and it allows us to explore all the different personalities of our material.
Alex, I got a question for you.
Oh. That's Brad. Brad's on a meeting with Sabrina, and Sabrina was in Cortina in January. Brad and Sabrina were both in Monaco, and they are working on a yacht project.
And this is the Vita swim step. We're trying to refine the texture, make sure the transitions look nice. I think we're about to head up to programming. Sabrina, I'll let you know how that goes, and then I think we'll ship this to Carlo, and then we'll get his feedback and we'll make some changes from there.
After we get our CAD models from our customers, the next extremely crucial step is programming, or CAM, and that's where we're driving the tool paths. That's a huge part of the magic that happens here. After that's post-process, the next step will be actually cutting aluminum. Welcome. This is a really exciting day. You're in front of the Haas UMC 1000 Sean Scott, our best and brightest new toy. And this is literally the very first good part that this machine has produced. Machine's been here a couple of weeks. We've been learning the ropes. By the end of next week, it will be producing a large-scale architecture facade using these rhombi modules. Very exciting stuff if you're into machines. Now we're in the anodized department where things really go to the next level. And I thought a couple of samples would illustrate that. This piece shows some really, really interesting cam techniques right off of the mill. And this shows where it can go after that. So it has, the finish has been manipulated to give it a really beautiful, slightly reflective satin, and there's a two-tone thing happening here. A very subtle technique that's totally proprietary. This was just a finish sample. Here we have another product, a cousin to it, and you can see how light it is because this needs to go into a BBJ.